y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, today I'm coming at y'all with a really quick and simple install and review for this really bomb unit that I received from MegaLook hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my install, but I just want to let you guys know I did install this hair originally in a side part, and then I straightened it. I went ahead and just switched to a middle part because I've been wearing this hair for a couple weeks now. So go ahead, and before I get started with this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and hop right in.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. But they too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends, girl, I know you want.
Hey guys, so that was it for the installation. Now just hopping into the specs and the review. This is MegaLook hair's 13x4 transparent lace front purple highlight straight wig. I got 24 inches. I did bleach the knots. I'm not gonna lie, I did over bleach the knots. You could kind of tell, but I did just use like eyeshadow to like go back in and like cover like the parts where it looks kind of thin and stuff like that. And I also customized this unit as well, so I did pluck the baby hairs and I trimmed them down some. And then I also have my friend Paris do my hair for my birthday, so if you guys didn't, please make sure y'all go watch my birthday vlog so y'all can see me getting the hair installed. If you guys want to see another little style that I did, I'll also put a picture of it in this video as well. But if y'all want to see me get my hair done for my birthday, because this was the hair that I wore for my birthday, make sure y'all head over to my channel and watch my new vlog. Moving on, so I've been wearing this hair for a minute. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I actually originally installed it in October, and I wore it for like a week or two because I had went to Atlanta and I kind of just wanted to do something different for Atlanta. Follow me on my Instagram, y'all definitely seen it. If not, please make sure y'all go follow my Instagram at @PayBayAfterDark. Then I went ahead and just reinstalled this wig right before my birthday, so I've been wearing it probably, let's go ahead and say like a little over a month. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really been keeping like the best track of my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this wig so much. I did curl it with my wand today. This hair is giving. Definitely one of my favorite units that I've worn this year. It's such a cute color. But the only thing I will say is they say the hair is purple, but personally I feel like this looks more pink to me. I don't know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all think it looks more purple or more pink? I did do like basically like a whole pinked out look for my birthday. I'm gonna put some pictures of what the hair looked like for my birthday. This is like one of those wigs you just put in, and this is like a show-stopping wig. Like, you want to look like a Bratz doll, you want to look like you belong on Monsters High, this is the wig for you. And it came this color, so I did not do anything to the color of this hair. This is the bag that the wig came in, and also the hair did come really quickly. It came in like 3 to 4 days. I just had it sitting here for a minute. So the hair came in this bag, this little clear plastic bag. They also sent me a tan wig cap, but I already used the wig cap, so I don't have it. And they sent a little goodie bag that says a MegaLook hair on it. Inside the little goodie bag, they sent some eyelashes, some little mink lashes, and then they also sent a elastic band. I just wanted to open this. This is cute. This elastic band headband is really cute. It has this Velcro on it, so it straps to your head. I love when companies send these. This is 24 inches on me, and when I stand up, the hair does come right basically by like above my hip. And then I'll let you guys see what it looks like when I stand up from the back. It comes like right to the top of my butt. It's like in the back. That was basically it for the specs on this hair, and then basically just diving into the pros and cons. Definitely the pro for me is this color. I love that this hair came this color. Honestly, I want to say I've reinstalled this wig like 5 or 6 times. I just keep reinstalling it. Like, so I've washed it like 2 or 3 times, but I've reinstalled it a couple times because I did a side part straight, I did a side part with curls, and I did an updo curls, and then I did half up half down with curls, and then I did curled middle part. I also did middle part straight. I just didn't take a picture, and I don't have a picture of that. But yeah, like, I've been putting a lot of heat in this hair. It holds a curl really, really, really well, and like the curls last all day, my updo lasts all day, and my hair doesn't get like super frizzy and tangly, and I like that. Like and it also looks really good straightened as well. Like, it doesn't look bad straight. If I have a picture, I'm gonna put the picture, or a video, I'm gonna put the picture of the video. But definitely 100% recommend this wig, you guys, because I honestly have nothing but positive things to say. For the most part, I got the most tangling when I did like the updo and the curls and stuff like that, because it was just a lot doing that hairstyle. But other than that, yeah, no shedding, no tangling. Cons about this hair, I really won't say that I have any. Like, I really do like this wig a lot. And one thing I will say, the cap size is a little big. When they sent this wig, they did send it with a little strap that you could put. So I put the extra additional strap inside the wig, and I tightened the adjustable strap on the tightest setting. That's one thing I will say. But other than that, like, the hair, the curls, the color, it's just everything for me. Like, I love it. So yeah, shout out to MegaLook hair. This is honestly one of my favorite wigs of the year. I definitely recommend this wig. 10 out of 10, no complaints. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this wig in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment what you guys are thinking about this hair. If you've tried this hair from MegaLook hair, if you want to try it. But since I've been wearing it for the month or so that I have no complaints. So let me know what y'all thinking, if y'all tried it, if y'all want to try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Shout out to MegaLook hair. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.